Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue that says that the action can't be completed because the file is open in COM Surrogate. Close the file and try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to right click on the start button and select the task manager. If you're on Windows 10, you can just right click on the task bar and select task manager. And then underneath apps, any other apps under here that aren't task manager, or Chrome if you're using, Chrome to watch this video perhaps, you want to go ahead and just right click on it and then end task. So you do that for any other apps in here. So if there are multiple programs open, you want to go ahead and make sure you save and close out of them first off. So you probably should actually just close out of them the normal way. And if there's still apps in here after you've closed out of everything in your taskbar, then you can come in here and right click and then end task for whatever programs remain. And then attempt to complete whatever action you were having the problem with before. And then the problem should have been resolved at this point. Something else you can try as well would just be to restart our computer, just kind of as like a little reset here, and that should hopefully undo or get around what the problem was as well. And there you go, guys. Now that we're back in Windows, attempt whatever action you were having the problem with before, and you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.